Super happy ako today kasi syempre big day namin today, wedding namin. I remember nga yung first time ko siyang nakilala is through work. First impression ko was maganda siya, cute.
So wide and so gently, vast as the ocean blue.
Yung time na nasa hagdanan ako, trinay mo akong i-approach. What is my name? And ako ito si Pabebe. Hindi binibigay agad-agad yung name sa'yo. Simpladahan pa kita. Pero hindi ka tumigil doon.
Tandaan ko anong 3 times ako nag-ask sa kanya mag-date. Ayaw niya. Hindi daw porket kinakausap niya ako ay friends na daw kami. So, syempre, pero pilit pa rin kasi dito ko naman na gusto pa na siyang friends na daw sa akin. Sa first date, nalaman ko na kagad na gusto ko na siyang pakasalan. Siya lumakasama ko habang buhay. Galing yung impact na naramdaman ko sa first date.
So yung love na binigay mo sa akin, pinapakita mo sa akin from the start. Pinitreat mo me like a princess talaga. You give me surprises. Nagugulat na lang ako. Meron kang surprise sa akin. Hindi ko ina-expect.
Yung manual na kasal, mababasa po natin sa unang aklat ng Bible, sa Book of Genesis, chapter 2, 24 and 25. For this reason, a man shall leave his father and his mother and shall cleave to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. Tagalogin po natin. Kaya nga iiwan ni Jabe ang kanyang magulang, pipisan kay Risa at sila'y magiging isa.
I can't see through the windows.
I love, I can't promise a great life, pero I promise you that at the end of the day, I love you.
Love, so this is the very special day for us. So yung feeling ko ngayon is super happy kasi finally natuloy na yung wedding na inaasam mo. Nakakaiyak siya.
Lagi mong tandaan na, mahal na mahal kita. Hello, my love. I didn't actually prepare anything. Pero ito yung na-feel ko from the start na nakilala ko ito. Kasi I don't make promises that I can't keep. So, I can't promise you na hindi tayo mag-aaway. I can't promise you na it's going to be smooth. I can't promise you the stars, the moon, or the ocean. I just can't. Pero I promise you that I will love you every day and twice on a Sunday.
Love, so I can also promise you that I will understand you and love